Hi, I'm Chris, the Outdoor Brand Manager here at Zippo Outdoor, and today we're going to review and look at our rugged lantern. It's got an SOS safety feature. It's really one of the toughest lanterns on the market. It's got an IPX7 water rating, and having the most rugged lantern on the market is a pretty big deal to some. In case you missed that, we'll do it again. That's solid brick right there. Follow me outside. We're going to throw it off the asphalt too. Okay, here we are outside in the Zippo parking lot. If you can see that that's lit and on. Throwing it right off the complete asphalt. And it's still on. All the settings are there. The SOS is working. As I mentioned, our lantern actually floats. And I mentioned earlier it has an IPX7 rating, waterproof rating. So that means you can dunk it. Our lantern is still working. That's a Zippo Rugged Lantern.